Hi everyone. So today I'm going to talk about something small creators like me need to understand: consistency. Right now I have about 300 subscribers, so my audience is still tiny. But even with a small channel, I have realized that consistency is the most important thing you can do to be able to grow, improve, and feel confident as a creator. I want to break down why showing up regularly matters more than you think, even if you feel like no one is watching. Let's start with the algorithm. I know you hate hearing about it, but hear me out. Posting consistency tells the platform that you are active, and it's more likely to push your videos out there. I have seen it in my own small experience. Sometimes I just post two videos together, and the second one is the one that gets more views just because I have been active. Even as a small creator, the little boost can make a huge difference. It's like giving yourself a chance to be discovered every single time you post. Another thing I have noticed is how consistency builds trust with your audience. Right now, I don't have a huge community, but I have started to see people come back to my videos. When you post regularly, even small creators can start creating little habits for their viewers. People start to expect your content, and when they know you'll show up, they're more likely to subscribe and keep coming back. That trust, it's everything when you're trying to grow from scratch. Now, let's talk about skills. This is something I feel really personally because when I started, my videos were really rough. The more I post, the better I get at filming, at recording, and at talking to the camera without feeling awkward. And consistency basically forces you to practice. And practice makes the man perfect. Every time I hit upload, I learn something new. And looking back at my older videos, I can literally see my growth. That's something no one can take away from you. You improve by doing, not by waiting for the perfect moment. Consistency also teaches discipline. I'm not gonna lie, some days I just don't feel like recording, but showing up makes it a habit. It's like training yourself to be reliable, not just to your audience, but also to yourself. And honestly, that's what separates small creators who stick around from those who just quit after a few months. Turning content creation into a habit instead of a hobby is huge. Here's something I really want to emphasize: big creators already have a loyal audience. They can take breaks and people will still watch their videos. Small creators like me, we don't have that luxury yet. Consistency is literally our superpower. If you post regularly, even a tiny video has the chance to reach someone new. And that's how we slowly grow, how we build momentum, and how where taking breaks doesn't hurt as much. Another thing I've realized that consistency builds confidence. Every time I hit upload, I prove to myself that I can actually do it. The first video I posted, I was terrified. But now, even if it's not perfect, I feel more confident just talking to the camera. Consistency helps you stop overthinking and reduces the fear of posting something that is not good enough. It's like building muscle. The more you do it, the stronger your confidence gets. Now, here's the thing: results don't happen overnight. I'm still small, remember, 300 subscribers, but I've seen little changes over time. Growth is slow at first, but consistent effort compounds. Every video you post and every practice you put in adds up. Think of it like saving money. You might not notice it day by day, but months later you realize how far you have come. And every big creator started small, and consistency is the reason they made it. This one is really important. So many small creators, including myself at first, wait for the perfect moment. The perfect idea, the perfect setup, the perfect lighting. And you know what happens? We post nothing. Consistency matters way more than perfection. Even if a video isn't flawless, posting regularly keeps your channel alive, keeps people engaged, and keeps you improving. Small creators can't afford to disappear for months. Momentum is everything. Now, to end this, let me share a personal little story of mine. When I started posting consistently, I wasn't getting ton of views, to be honest. Honestly, sometimes it feels like I'm shouting into the void. But I kept going. And over time, I started to notice little things. People commenting, subscribers coming back, and me just feeling more comfortable in general making videos. Posting regularly helped me improve, build confidence, and slowly start growing my channel. That's why I'm telling you, if you're small like me, showing up consistently makes a huge difference. So, if you're a small creator struggling to grow, here's the takeaway: post consistently, show up. Don't worry about being perfect. Your skills, confidence, and audience will grow over time, and the results will compound. Consistency is your secret weapon, remember that. And trust me, even if you're just starting, the effort you put in now will pay off later. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and share your consistency journey, or even share tips that worked for you. Let's grow together one video at a time. Bye bye.